that's where I was a little while ago, about an hour ago. There's that lake again. Pretty cool. And so this tower is dismantled, but they left a ladder, maybe about 25 foot or so. Hikers gonna be hikers. Of course I'm gonna climb this shit. I can't help myself. But some nice views that way. This is beautiful. Some small arms fire going in the distance. It wouldn't be Maine, New Hampshire, or Vermont without some gunfire. Live free or die. Oh, and hey, look at that. There's the roof of the fire tower. Cool, I didn't see that on the way up. Good times.